What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. Just give my thoughts and opinions. If you're new to the channel, guys, thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hopefully you like this kind of shit. Do check out my other videos. We just discussed about what's going on that news, none of that crap. Just basic discussion, guys. That's all it is. We have got a fucking epic episode for you today. We're going to be covering basically Adam LZ, Triple F connection, Novitec and a few others as well. Also, guys, if you want to go away and fucking smash the subscribe button, that'd be awesome. Even better, destroy the like button, help the all YouTube algorithm. I know I'm a small channel, but just give it a chance and you know, get involved. And do comment below, guys. I do bring up your comments every Sunday. If you want to hit me up in my DMs on Instagram, please do. If you want to come on for a podcast, you know, send me on any stories or anything, work away. My DMs are always open as well, guys. So where do we start? We got to start off with Triple F connection. Holy fuck. I mean, when they brought it out, I was like, are they going to buy the Lamborghini Centenario? Basically, Lamborghini Newport Beach, Nick Jones, I think his name is, the head guy down there, he sent them up the Centenario. As we do know, if you've been living underneath a rock, Triple F Connection had a massive kind of car show. I think it was yesterday. I'm waiting for that video to come out. I know there was a lot of big YouTube car celebrities there. Savage Garage, I think Will Motivation was there. I'm not too sure who else was there. I think Stradman was supposed to be there, but I don't know if he would be because obviously of the death of his father, so I don't think he would. But there's supposed to be other big car YouTubers there as well. So I'm looking forward to them actually bringing out that video. So they took the Lamborghini Aventador the Centenario for a spin. And they basically gave their reasons to why they are not buying it. I'm gutted they're not buying it. I love the Centenario. It's such a cool car. The main thing for them is the single clutch transmission. They don't like it. All their other cars are dual clutch. They're not too fond of it, but they do love the looks of it and the sound of it. And again, they did ask the question to you guys below. Do you think the Centenario is a hypercar or a supercar? It's another one of these cars that borderlines on the fence of super and hypercar territory. It's got hypercar looks. It accelerates like a hypercar, but it's got supercar, you know, performance. And yeah, they're just asking, is it a supercar? I mean, it's a hard one. I would count it as a hypercar because it's such an unbelievable car. Now they did say they are looking for a V12. I mean, they could add the Cyan to their collection. You know, they're not too fond of you know, the single clutch transmissions in Lamborghinis for the V12, but you know, we'll see what one they get. I mean, I'd be happy if they got any of the Lamborghinis, especially an SVJ, the Centenario or the Cyan. Like, it would be epic for them to add it. And they are so close to hitting 100,000 subs as well, guys. You know, it's unbelievable. So highly recommend go and check out the video, comment below and let me know what you think. Should they have bought it, should they not have bought it, or what V12 do you want them to add to the garage? Next up, guys, is going to be Novitec. And Novitec have come out with their basically Supercar Diaries. If you haven't watched them, you are wholly fucking missing out. They are absolutely epic. They've just recently hit 100k subs, so congratulations to them. I would love to get these guys in the podcast someday, just to chat to them, even go meet them would be epic. But what they've done to the 765 LT is out of this world. All I'm going to say to you guys is the best 12 minutes of an unbelievable sounding car I've never heard. It looks unbelievable in the Volcano Orange. So they don't have a aero kit on this car. This is standard from McLaren. The roof scoop on this thing alone is 50,000 euros or some crazy shit like that. They have their Novitec springs in it, they have their wheels, they have a tune, and they have their sports exhaust system on it. And it sounds unfucking real. I'm just going to give you a very quick clip of them just driving the car quickly. There you have it, guys. Oh god, it sounds so amazing and it looks unbelievable on the roads. If I was to get a 765 LT, I would probably have it in candy apple red with the carbon and wheels. As much as I like the Volcano Orange. Let me know in the comments below, what colour would you spec your 765 LT? I would probably more likely get Novitec to tune it. They said it's tuned to 855 horsepower. They can't officially say it's nearly 1,000 horsepower, because then it's faster than the actual P1, which McLaren wouldn't be too happy about. But they've tuned it, so I don't see why not. They can't just say, like, they kind of stepped around it by what they were saying. But the thing is crazy fucking fast. I would probably shit my pants if I was in that car. It looks unbelievable. All I can say, guys, is go check out the video. It is well worth it. Novitec do some unbelievable, filmography, I suppose, and it's just so epic. And I just love, if I ever have the money, 765 LT would definitely be on my list. Next up is going to be Adam LZ, and Adam LZ has finally got an exhaust system for his 992 Turbo S. He got it from a crowd called JCR. He didn't want something too crazy loud. I really love the 992 Turbo S's. I don't know what it is about them. They just look so gorgeous, especially in this black spec. The spooling of the turbos and the down spooling of them, they're just unbelievable. Adam LZ has such a sick 992. It's just unbelievable. The new exhaust system is just ridiculously nice as well. It's not too loud. It still has the cats in it, but they're really free flowing cats. And yeah, it's so sick. So might as well just give you another clip so you can hear it. Here you go. Now there is a sick sounding 992. Congratulations to Adam, he's hit the nail on the head with the exhaust system in that one. And you can even see when it launches, it's so fucking quick. Like, I can only imagine like how, I would love to see a tuned 992 up against this tuned 765 LT. That would be an unbelievable drag race for Carwow or somebody. I would love to see that. Can't wait to see what other mods Adam does to it. Like, it's just insane. I've literally gotten back watching him now, so I will be covering more. But let me know what you think of the exhaust note down below. Would you buy a 992 if you had the money? It would definitely be in my top list of cars to be buying if my cryptocurrency ever goes to the moon and I make it rich. I would definitely add it onto the list. But yeah, guys, do check out the video and let me know in the comments below. Next up is going to be we're already at 888. Okay, so 888, I mentioned them before, guys. They are an Irish car modifiers up in Dublin. I said it's really hard to find people like this. I did cover them in my last video. They finally completed the Rocket Bunny 911 and it came out awesome. I love it. It's on air. It is in white with black wheels. It's such a cool kit. I think the kit cost nearly 20,000 euros. They've done epic work on it and I really like it. It was a great build process. They put a lot of work into it. And it's good to see Irish channels like this doing these kind of builds. They're big into their JDM cars. They also do competitions as well. I would love to get these guys even onto a podcast and chat to them also. But if you haven't seen the build, link in the description below. Check out their channel, guys. They're typical funny. If you want some funny Irish humour and Irish wit, I would highly recommend go check it out. Guys are up in Dublin, they do unbelievable work and I really love this 911. It just came out spot on. I hope someday I get to see it in person if I can, if I ever get to meet these guys. But yeah, just an epic build, well done to them. I'm glad it's finished and it turned out absolutely spot on. So go check them out, guys, link in the description below. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be Evan Shanks. Now there's two stories to Evan Shanks, one good, one bad, unfortunately. The good basically is he's finally lowered his AMG GT, I think, or GTS he has. He's finally lowered it. He put on KW springs with the same AMG struts. He has the lip on it and the body kit, the AMG GTR body kit on it. I cannot wait to see what colour he goes, what wheels he goes. It looks menacing looking. It's unbelievable work. I really do like Evan Shanks's channel. He puts in such great work and I really like the mods he picks on his cars and I really just like watching his builds. I'm saying that, unfortunately for him, he's had an absolute clusterfuck of contractors who have fucked up his his shop that he got built out the back. It's been flooding in rainstorms. The drains that were installed that have a pump in them, the pump is fucked. It won't pump out the water. It's just basically flooding inside his shop. It's destroying the place. He's now had to go down a legal route to try and get them to fix it. He doesn't know if it's going to happen. I really feel bad for him, man. It was heart-wrenching. I just feel sickened for him. Hopefully his lawyer can sort something out and basically get these guys to fix it, because he's starting, the foundation is getting fucking wonky and he's getting issues with the wall and stuff. So I mean, it's terrible what they're doing, and this is under warranty, and the guy just refuses to come out and fix it. So he didn't want to go down this route. Unfortunately, he has to go down this route. Hopefully he'll get it sorted. I pray to God he does, because I really love his builds and he's put his heart and soul into this. So guys, check out his video. Do check out his builds. I mean, it's really highly recommended, and hopefully he can get it sorted with these shitty contractors as well. So guys, that is it for today. Thanks a fucking million if you've watched to the end. Again, please do smash that subscribe button to death, and also all my regular viewers and commenters, you know what to do, the usual. Absolutely jackhammer that like button and do comment below. So I'm going to try and do a video every day this week if I possibly can. It's not my full-time job, as you know, but I will try. So until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.